Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word accumulate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Over the years, she was able to accumulate a substantial amount of savings by being frugal and investing wisely. Accumulate means to gather or collect a large quantity of something over time, such as money, possessions, or knowledge, through gradual additions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.